Then we can do YouTube channel.
What?
All I did was touch him.
Really? Peyton, you need to go back to bed? Well, why are you crying? Because she touched you.
All I did was touch her. Like, all I did was touch her like that.
Peyton, quit being a baby, or you're going to go back to bed. Watch out, I need to get through. A little bit. Nala.
Nala's already outside.
Come on, Bit.
I left it cracked so she can get in and out.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wee. Say goodbye to the beautiful slime. I know what to do. Look, I know what to do. I'm doing a sad face. Goodbye.